Sumup can really only address the challenges of the merchants if we bring lots of minds together in one room.
The most growth comes from interacting with people from other countries and other teams with different skills.
Experimenting with new technologies, working with different people across multiple exciting and innovative challenges.
Being in the same place, same spot, same time zone, same building, you can just go and ask the person that you need help from.
But to really address merchant problems in a big, holistic way, we need those minds and brains in one room working in a really concentrated effort to try and deliver those solutions.
It takes a lot of effort on site and during the hack week to overcome the unexpected difficulties or establish new, unanticipated collaborations.